The world of art is changing. A new artist has emerged. Artificial intelligence is stepping onto the creative stage. Its arrival is transforming how we create and experience art, music, and literature. AI's creative prowess is rapidly evolving. Algorithms are now composing music, painting canvases, and even writing poetry. This rapid advancement is challenging our understanding of creativity itself. We are witnessing a new dawn in the artistic landscape. This new form of creativity is not without its critics. Some argue that AI-generated art lacks the emotional depth and originality of human creation. However, the sheer speed and technical skill of AI art are undeniable. It's a force that demands our attention. AI's creative abilities extend far beyond simple imitation. It can analyze vast datasets of existing art, identifying patterns and trends. This analytical power allows AI to generate novel combinations and explore uncharted artistic territories. It pushes the boundaries of what's possible. From generating intricate musical compositions to crafting complex narratives, AI is demonstrating its versatility. Tools like Midjourney and Runway ML are empowering artists and creators with new tools. These tools allow for experimentation and innovation. AI's capacity for creative expression is constantly expanding. AI is not merely replicating human art, it's creating something new. It's exploring different aesthetics, pushing boundaries, and challenging our preconceived notions of what art can be. The results are often surprising, and sometimes even breathtaking. The speed at which AI can produce art is also remarkable. What might take a human artist hours, days, or even weeks to create, AI can accomplish in mere minutes. This speed opens up new possibilities for rapid prototyping and experimentation. It's a game changer for the creative process. Despite AI's impressive capabilities, the human element remains essential to creativity. Our emotions, experiences, and cultural context shape our artistic expression. These are the elements that imbue art with meaning and purpose. Human creativity is driven by intuition, empathy, and a deep understanding of the human condition. These qualities are difficult, if not impossible, to replicate in a machine. They are at the core of what makes art resonate with us on an emotional level. They are the essence of human expression. The human touch brings a unique depth and complexity to art. It connects us to something larger than ourselves. It allows us to explore our inner worlds and share our perspectives with others. This is the power of human creativity. It's a power that transcends mere technical skill. Our lived experiences, our joys and sorrows, our hopes and fears, these are the raw materials of human art. They are the ingredients that give art its soul. AI may be able to mimic certain aspects of human creativity, but it cannot replicate the essence of what it means to be human. Rather than viewing AI as a threat to human creativity, we should embrace it as a powerful tool. AI can augment our abilities, enhance our workflows, and open up new avenues for creative exploration. It's a collaborative partner. AI can assist artists with tedious tasks, freeing them to focus on the more creative aspects of their work. It can generate new ideas, provide feedback, and help artists refine their vision. It's a powerful tool for artistic empowerment. The collaboration between humans and AI is already leading to exciting new forms of art. Artists are using AI to create interactive installations, generative music, and personalized narratives. The possibilities are limitless. By combining the strength of both human and artificial intelligence, we can unlock new levels of creativity. It's a symbiotic relationship where each partner enhances the capabilities of the other. It's a partnership that can revolutionize the creative landscape. Section 5. Navigating the future of creative expression. The future of creativity is a landscape shaped by the interplay of human and artificial intelligence. AI is transforming the very definition of art and innovation. It's a new era of creative expression. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking developments in the creative realm. New tools and techniques will emerge, empowering artists and creators in unprecedented ways. The future of art is dynamic and full of potential. This future also presents us with important ethical considerations. We must be mindful of the potential risks of over-reliance on AI. We must ensure that human creativity remains at the heart of artistic expression. We need to navigate this new landscape thoughtfully and responsibly. We need to embrace the potential of AI while safeguarding the unique qualities of human creativity. It's a delicate balance, but one that is essential for the future of art. Section 6. Ethical considerations in the age of AI art. The rise of AI art raises important ethical questions about authorship, ownership, and the very nature of creativity. Who owns the copyright to an artwork created by AI? What is the role of the human artist in the creative process? We must also consider the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes, such as creating deepfakes or spreading misinformation. These are serious concerns that require careful consideration. We need to develop ethical guidelines for the use of AI in art. The increasing sophistication of AI art also raises questions about the value of human creativity. If a machine can create art that is indistinguishable from human art, does that diminish the value of human artistic expression? These are complex questions with no easy answers. As AI becomes more integrated into the creative process, we need to have open and honest conversations about these ethical implications. We need to establish clear guidelines and regulations to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically in the art world. Section 7. The transformative power of collaboration. Despite the challenges, the potential benefits of human-AI collaboration and creativity are immense. By combining the strengths of both human and artificial intelligence, we can create art that is more innovative, more expressive, and more impactful. AI can help us push the boundaries of what is possible in art, exploring new forms, styles, and mediums. It can also help us reach new audiences and democratize access to creative tools and resources. It's a transformative power. This collaboration is not just about creating new forms of art. It's also about using art to address important social and environmental issues. AI can help us create art that raises awareness, inspires action, and promotes positive change. By working together, humans and AI can create art that is both beautiful and meaningful. Art that challenges us, inspires us, and connects us to something larger than ourselves. It's a powerful partnership with the potential to shape the future of creativity. Section 8. A symphony of innovation, the future of creativity. The future of creativity is not a competition between humans and AI. It's a symphony of innovation, a harmonious blend of human ingenuity and artificial intelligence. It's a future where both humans and machines contribute their unique strengths to the creative process. This future holds immense potential for artistic expression. We can expect to see new forms of art emerge, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. It's a future where creativity is amplified, not diminished by technology. The future of creativity is not about replacing human artists with machines. It's about empowering human artists with new tools and technologies. It's about expanding the possibilities of artistic expression. It's a future where creativity is accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or skill level. It's a future where art can truly change the world. It's a future we should embrace with open minds and open hearts.